Creating 100 new fart sound effects. Or something. I mean, you can add some flair to it where it's like, hey, come on, get. Hey, you in the dark. Little moist. Gotta spread it out. Oh, that was a good one. Hey, what's going on over here? Oh. I don't know why I got so much air coming out. Oh. That's better. You gotta go to a doctor after that one. You got fucking hemorrhoids. Got some of these lower ones. Oh, God. That sounded exactly like a cartoon. I seem to have shit my fucking pants. God damn. I don't know, should we go for 100? I think we do that. I think we shoot for 100. Creating 100 new fart sound effects. Or something. Yeah, I got too much air coming out. Now they all just sound the same. Oh. Oh! Oh, I gotta go to therapy. And then what? How terrible! What happened to her? Oh, that's too bad. You got a question? It's like Hugh Jackman fucking shitting in a stall. Once there was a way to get back home. Once there was a way. I'm gonna have. Hey, what's going on over here?